Look at this Mercedes Maybach S680. My God, this thing is just the epitome of luxury. Wow. Look at this. Incredible. The Mercedes SUV when you're ready for that apocalypse. Wow. Look at that thing. Go to muscleupdetailspray.com and pick you up some merch. What's up, man? Pebble Beach, Monterey, doing it big out here. I heard my childhood friend, Demylin. You know how we doing it, man. What's
up, YouTube?
Hey, man, I always tell you guys, got to get out, man. There's two of you guys is partners out here, man, and we grew up in such a crazy environment, and now we're out here, and sky's the limit, man. No glass ceilings. Subscribe, share, muscle up. You know how we do it. Look at this. It's beautiful. The Daytona SP3. Wow. Look at this right here. Man, this is sick. Wow. Not a bad angle on this car. I mean, look at this Ferrari. This is 1953 250 mm. Wow. Yeah. I mean, look at the leather in it, bro. The craftsmanship is just ridiculous.
It's just simple.
Yeah, yeah.
It's simple.
Yeah. Another classic Ferrari right here. I mean, you can never go wrong with an old school Ferrari. This is a 1952 342 America, you guys. Beautiful. Oh, were you? Another Ferrari 1960 250 GT Berlinetta, you guys. Beautiful, man.
See, like this, like the silver one. This one.
Yeah, this is nice. 1961 GT Berlinetta. Yeah, all these the lines are just so simple. That's what makes the car so beautiful, man.
Yeah,
see how the leather is? Everything's just really clean.
Yeah, clean and just simple. Just
man.
Yeah.
Beautiful car, man.
Yeah.
Look at this. Beautiful, man. Look at the lines on this thing. Oh my God. Paint job is immaculate. 1963 400 Super America. Beautiful car. Man. The 1964 250 GT. Silver on the thing, man. Yeah, that silver in that maroon. Yeah. 1980 400i. I've always liked these right here. I know they're kind of different and kind of boxy, but they still, to me, have a nice little look to them. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think this is a getter. Nothing but Ferraris. This 2002 360. We got a 350 F355 Spider. Beautiful cars out here, you guys. You gotta always challenge yourself, man. Dream big, man. Dream big. Don't put any limitations. Let's take a stroll over here and see what they got. He got a 2011 SA Aperta. It's a beautiful car. And then we have 2015 FXXK. That's a straight race car right here. Look at this thing. Monster. Beautiful. Sick. 2006 612 Scaglietti. Yeah, bang for your buck. This is a great deal right here.
It is.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, you can get these. I want to say low hundreds, and they run. I mean, it's a great car, man, for the value. 512, you guys, Miami Vice. Everybody had this picture on their wall. This was a childhood dream car right here.
Sir, please no pictures.
And this is a nice color combination, man. Beautiful. '78 312 T3. This is what they used to be pushing around the track, man. Look at those meats on this thing. Wow. It's a lot of tire. 275 GT S4 NART, and this is a 1967. It's a beautiful car, though. Very nice line. Right here. Yeah, this is a sick Ferrari. Let me see what this is before I open my mouth. It has yeah, it's a 2022 296 GTS. This is a Spider. Look at that interior. Beautiful. For all you Ferrari guys. Check out the new Koenigsegg. Man, that thing is beautiful. So we're at Pebble Beach, you guys. This is the biggest car show in the country for cars in the United States. I mean, cream de la cream, man. I mean, you got a little bit of everything. This is a Taikan 4S Cross Turismo. Look how crazy that interior is.
It's basically the same thing.
Crazy interior. It looks like it's got cork inside and all type of foams and stuff. But yeah, they got the Hennessy over there. They got the Koenigsegg right here. And just whatever you could think of, they have here. I always tell you, man, get outside your comfort zone. Get out there and explore. This Zinger right here, ridiculous, man. 3D printed AI car.
Bonded together.
Okay.
That's all bolted to the tubs. So the tubs on the car are like carbon fiber.
Okay.
So those sub-assemblies, the subframes are then simply bolted on. The rear bolted on the front. And away you go.
And so it's a hybrid. So is it electric motor in the front?
Two electric motors in the front, a V8 in the back.
V8 in the back. Okay. Turbo? 2 turbos. Wow. Look at this concept right here. This is like Minority Report, right?
Yeah,
remember?
yeah, Minority
remember
Report.
when they made? Remember they put him in back there and they drove him to that guy's house? Yeah, Minority Report, man. That's what's coming. They put you in there and say, "Hey, we got a meeting." You go right to the jailhouse. Yeah. The boss wants to talk to you. Yeah. Look at this right here. Wow, crazy, man. Look at the side of those doors, you guys. This is Pebble Beach, man. How crazy this stuff you'll never see in person. Wow. Amazing. Wow, look at this, you guys. That's just crazy. That door is crazy. Wow. I was telling somebody, it looks like a Minority Report. Remember with Tom Cruise? When they drove him to that guy's house? Locked him in the car? Or Total Recall. Wow. Check out the new Bentley, you guys. This is pretty cool. I mean, I know you guys see a lot of Bentleys, but you probably haven't seen one like this before. This is also a concept car. Beautiful car. This is the Lucid right here, the Air. This is another electric car. Here's another angle of the Lucid Air. This is a cool electric car. And then you guys have seen the MC20 Maserati. These are pretty badass. They had one of these, not the actually Cielo, but they had a regular coupe. I've seen at the La Jolla Concourse. Another cool car. And check out this Polestar.
Polestar.
Polestar, yeah. I've heard of this before, but I've never seen a convertible version. And this is electric also, you guys. Check out the front of this Polestar. This is pretty cool. Like I said, I've never seen a convertible version. And then over here we have another concept. This is the Lincoln. Now look at that thing. Wow. Looks like a land yacht. Technology and where it's going, you guys. Be ready. Pretty cool. Wow. Lincoln Star Concept. Now check this out. This is Ken Okoyama. This is the Code 57 Berlinetta. So this is a Ferrari chassis, but it's a bespoke. So it's a one-off. And if you bring your, I believe it's an F12 to this guy, he'll actually do you a custom Ferrari to your rendering, or his rendering. I mean, just a beautiful car. This is amazing. Very nice. Beautiful car. Yeah, those cars now. I've never seen this. What is this? Diaz Vayani. Bayan. I don't know how to pronounce that. Interesting. That's a cool car. That's cool. The Diaz. The Hennessy Venom F5. Beautiful. The roadster.
Miles an hour?
Yeah, it's supposed to break 300, man. I don't know what they topped out. I think they did 2. He's been building hot rods for years, man. Aftermarket stuff. The Hennessy Viper. You got the Cadillac. Okay.
And then the Venom GT also was the fastest open top car.
Wow.
And it still holds that record today.
Damn. Still, huh?
Yeah, it still holds that record today. So this car is going to be the car that beats that. So.
Wow.
So this might be a dumb question. So, but the electric car, I mean, do they those can blow them away, right? The electric car, because it's.
Well,
This car will beat us. The electric cars will beat us from like 0 to 60, but beyond it's
top end. That's, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this car, right now, I believe is probably one of the fastest production cars. And then you have the Koenigsegg, which is up there. And then you have the Bugatti, which is probably third.
So those.
Hennessy Roadster. Check this out, you guys. This is sick. Oh my God, it's so beautiful, man. So this is the predecessor to the F1. Beautiful car. If you guys haven't seen this car, oh, excuse me, man, sick. You sit in the middle, and you got your passengers on the side. It's super cool. Excuse me. So this is a GMA T50 Supercar 2020. It's a 3.9 liter V12, 12,100 RPM. Wow. This is sick. Man, next level right here. Beautiful car. Look at that. Wow. Never settle for average has always been my motto in life. So I've been fortunate enough to get together with the brand NSFA and become a brand ambassador, because there's no room for mediocrity in life. So whether you're out here and you're an athlete, you're in entertainment, you're a business person, represent and pick you up a hat. And for those of you who are law enforcement, military, veterans, first responders, use code USA15 and get 15% off. Click the link in the description and never settle for average. Hello, I'm Big Herc 916. Contact me for life coaching and motivational speaking.